Today we are at a beautiful property on top of Las Palmas, on La Variante de Las Palmas. This property is enchanting. Let's go look at it. First, we're gonna go see outside of the property. It's got an amazing lot. This property has the biggest lot in the unit. The unit is only 6 lots. It's got an amazing garden, and look at all this. Now this property also has, I'm going to show you just in a minute, a play area, or let's not call it a play area, but a place where you can actually, it's a place to sit with your friends, where you can actually have a barbecue separate from the house. You can have everybody in the house. No, this is a completely different area. So look at this lot. It's just amazing though. It's beautiful. Now we're gonna go around the house so we can see it, because it's just beautiful. And then we're gonna go inside. Now look at the house. The house is beautiful. You can see the beautiful house. Very classic. Very classic. This a great property. Now look at the corridors in this house. Very great. Amazing. This is wonderful. Just look at it. Look at this terrace. It's great. Everything about this house is beautiful. Now we have the stairs to take us to the parking. And last, we're gonna see this other area back here. This is what I was talking to you about first. This area is a great area. And look, buddy. It's just amazing. You got this play area right here. There's like a soccer field. And also, you got this other area back here. You host your barbecues for a large gathering. Look at all the sitting space you have right there. It's just great though. Let's go look at it. And look at it. It's just great. And it's just right in the middle of everything. It's amazing. I really like it. Now, let's go inside the house. Look at this. It's an amazing, very classic house. Classic brick. 3 levels. First going to see the lower level. Look at this. This is a little living room just before going out to the terrace, where you have all this. They just had a Halloween party right here, and you get out to the terrace. Now, with the terrace, we were looking actually inside the house now, because we only saw that area. So look at it. This is the dining room area. It's very good. Such really good. And the kitchen. Some open space. kitchen. And we're gonna go now upstairs. We're now going upstairs. This is Freddy's office right here. It's beautiful. It's actually working right now. He actually designed the property and designed the whole unit. That's really, really nice. Really good architect and constructor. This is a little gym that we have right here. This is also a bedroom. And it's used right now as a little gym. Now we're going to the third level. The third level, we have this really great studio. You can watch TV or listen to music. You can see right here that I can play guitar. Look at all this. Which is great. Look at this. Look at this. Now we're gonna go into the bedrooms. This place has 3 bedrooms on the second floor, on the master floor. So right here we have 1 bedroom with an amazing view. I don't know if you guys can see it from here though, but it's got this beautiful view. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful view. And another space right here for study. We're going to the master bedroom. It's straight into a balcony with an amazing, amazing view, guys. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is beautiful. And this is the master. Well, everybody, this is it for now. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Review in La Toscana, but right up in Alto de Las Palmas, Las Palmas. Beautiful unit, beautiful home. Cheers. Bye-bye.